All right, guys, so I couldn't resist another story time. Okay, so I remember when I first started teaching um, in the youth sessions at Jesus House, the church that I currently attend. And honestly, those sessions used to be pretty daunting, right? So much so that when I could, I volunteered to do everything else except teach because I don't know. I was afraid I'd be found a fraud. Maybe I would run out of words. I know there were one or two occasions when I did teach and I didn't feel great after doing it. And I felt, oh man, maybe I shouldn't do this. But looking back now, I'm glad I stuck with it. Like during the pandemic, every month, at least once a month, I'm speaking to the young people, encouraging them, telling them stories from the Bible and just principles from the Bible to help them with their daily lives. And I found my confidence in delivering these sessions has actually improved and increased, such that I'm able to keep to time to prepare my message, keep it to time. I'm able to create slides that are engaging, but also give forth the message I'm trying to portray, and I'm able to hold their attention. You know, um, and I'm really happy about that because I've grown in that, even though there were growing pains, even though I did find it a bit daunting. Not just a bit, very daunting when I first started, actually. But now I'm like, yeah, okay, we've got another session to take, another talk to give. It's fine, I can handle it. I wasn't there before, and I'm grateful for seeing that growth. So, what's it that you're working on that maybe might be new or something that's outside your comfort zone? Tell me about it. I mean, I think it's something, whatever it is we try. You know, they say practice makes perfect. I don't even want to go with that saying. I'd go with practice makes better or practice makes progress. I think I've heard that one before. And that's it. Practice does give you progress. Perfection is such a lofty ideal, such, it might seem so far away. Whereas actually just practicing and making progress is a great way to go. For me, like I said, I've seen myself grow. There's still more areas I can grow in. I can also improve in my preparation time so that it doesn't take me as long to prepare. But I'm grateful for the growth that I've seen. So if there's something that you're interested in doing and sometimes you're not sure if you would be able to do it or do it well or do it to the best of your ability, I would say challenge yourself and actually try it out. You never know. You just might get better. You just might make more progress than you imagined if you stick with it. All right, take care and have a lovely day. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.